Alright guys, starting with Obsidian Soccer. Obsidian PYT number, what is this one? Number 77, wow. PYT number 77 of Obsidian Soccer. Alright, let me know what you guys work out. I'm cool with whatever you guys figure out. Alright, here we go. Got 4 hobby boxes, then we got a team all box and a pink pack. Good luck, guys. Due for some sickness out of Obsidian, I hope. Good luck, good luck. Ooh, this one's loaded up. Let's put this on the side. We'll do it at the very end. Start with the hobbies. Take both? Alright, cool. This one's absolutely loaded. Got 4 thick ones. This has got to be an extra one, right? Alright, first up we got a base of Axel. Yeah, this is number 77. Axel Witsel, the one that was posted in the morning. Axel Witsel for Borussia Dortmund, 13 of 165. Dortmund, that is James. Got a Supernova for Raheem Sterling. Nice one here for City. Yo, Kristen. Top load of Supernova. 31 of 135. Nice one here. How about Nicolo Barella for Inter? Go Jared. Not a bad hit for Inter here. 49 of 65. Sterling, that would be Kristen. Kristen Ware. Nice patch. Got triple patch Anthony Martial for France. Not sure what break is for. That's black gold number 2, Caleb. Not sure what I joined. Nice patch here. Check the patch. Juan Mata for Man U. It's got Man U here. That is Simon. Here goes Simon. Three color. Patch autograph for Koke of Atletico de Madrid. Hey Space, what's up, what's up? Koke 275. I've got an orange patch autograph for David Alaba of Bayern. FC Bayern, that is Cyrus H. There you go, Cyrus. Number 250 on the Alaba. Alright, that was box number 1. Come on, let's get a 1 of 1 in Obsidian as well tonight. Ah, nice one in the back. Very nice one in the back. Matias Vecino for Uruguay. I don't know if Kristen is watching. He may be. Maybe not. Vecino for Uruguay. That is Jared. Go Jared. Now we got to 65, James Ward-Prowse of Southampton. Portugal. Portugal went down. 11 of 65 for Southampton. There you go, Josh, for this one. Got single patch for Morata. Pretty base. 299. Got a base autograph for Tobin Heath. Scored the goal either today or last night for Man U. Started the comeback against Man City for the ladies to 99. Who's got the ladies? That is Ryan in the filler. I got a triple patch for Paco Alcácer of Dortmund. That one's base. Then we got two real nice hits. First up, we got a double patch autograph for Iker Casillas of Spain. There you go, Arthur with this one. Nice looking card here. Number 2 of 20. Nice one here. It was a banger. I haven't seen the actual goal. I have seen the news article. And out of a gold Kai Havertz Vitreous. This might be huge for Noel. How about a 15 of 15 Kai Havertz gold? Magging this boy up. There you go. Congrats, Noel. Picked the right team. Boom. Alright, I got two more hobbies. So far, started out very solid. Let's push this back a little bit. No, I send out once every 2 months, Ryan, and I send it out as a huge lot. Because the way I do it, I use other guy to send it to because from now on you need to have direct account with them to do the economy service. So I send out once every 2 months, and I send out like 100, 200 cards at a time. Got Granit Xhaka for Switzerland, orange. $35 of 35. Next one here, Paul Pogba, tunnel vision for France. Yeah, like the last sub was 160 cards. Next sub, this one's 25 of 25. Last one was 35 of 35. This one's 25 of 25. Interesting. Go France. Nice one there. Then we got tunnel vision for Ousmane Dembele, base for Barca. I don't really believe in that though. I'm not really a fan of thinking of if I send single cards it will grade better, if I send multiple cards it will grade better. I don't think that affects it. It shouldn't affect it. If it does affect, it's probably not fair. Well, it is not fair. It should not affect, so I don't know. Andreas Christensen for Denmark. I guess a lot has to do with this one's 14 of 75. A lot has to do with the grader that actually grades the cards more than how many cards you send. Got Marcelo for Real Madrid, base. Not quite sure in the process of how they do it. I'm not quite sure if it's the single guy who grades the whole submission or they spread it out when they do it. I'm not sure they disclose that information. Got Casper Dolberg, Lightning Strike for Denmark base autograph. 21 of 49. But yeah, for simplicity and not to confuse anything, because if I send like 50 subs in 2 months, I'm gonna lose track of everything. It's so much easier to just send once every month or two. That way I don't lose any of your cards, which is way more important than anything else. Manuel Lanzini for Argentina, 105 of 149. Also base autograph. Kinda quiet box there. I'm interested to see the results on this one. I mean, we sent it out almost 3 weeks ago. It was the economy one. We should be getting it back in like 2 or 3 months. We'll be sending out the next one. Wow, we got a Concha. It's a nice one too. Be sending out the next one in a couple weeks too. By like beginning, end of December. Beginning/middle, I mean. Matias Vecino, base. No, I don't use Austin. No, I use another guy. He does a lot of. He does like 1,000 scores a week. Is one of them. You probably heard of him, Josh Cade. That's the guy I use. Is like one of the biggest in the grading. One of the biggest groups out there. 31 of 65, Jan Bednarek for Southampton. Wow. We got Robert Lewandowski, Galaxy Gear patch for Bayern. There goes Cyrus, 37 of 75. And we got Gareth Bale for Wales. 22 of 25. Plus I only use Josh for the economy sub. Everything else I send myself. They recently closed down the economy. So even economy I was sending by myself, but because of the recent updates, I gotta send it through someone else now. But besides the economy, all the express and the regulars and the super express, that I do all by myself. So they're for Wales. We got a gold autograph for Andres Silva of Portugal. We've got Portugal. Portugal is David. There you go, David. That one's 9 of 10. And then another one for Portugal. Kind of nice one here. Cristiano Ronaldo. Purple patch. 24 of 75. And our final hit out of the hobby boxes is going to be a Concha. Good luck, guys. It's kind of a nice one. Concha number 28 going to Gigi Donnarumma. You go Italy and James. Congrats, James. Sick hit. 2 of 8. Nice one here. Nice looking hit. Let's push Mata to the side. Alright, now we got the pink pack. And then Team All pack. Good luck. Pink pack number 211. Nice. First up, got Edson Alvarez for Ajax. Base, that is Simon. 10 of 11. Pretty SP. All of these. Oops. Taken down. And the second one is a little bit better. How about for Kirsten? My bad, Kristen. With Man City, Leroy Sané. Combined Kristen and Leroy. My tongue couldn't handle it. 6 of 11. Back in his no hair days. Nice one here. Congrats, Kristen. Nice hit, nice hit. Alright, now going to T-Mall. Let's see if we can add something on from T-Mall. One box of T-Mall Obsidian. This one's thin, no patch auto. So we're gonna get a regular auto here. Yep, regular autograph is what it is. Got a base patch for Blaise Matuidi. Galaxy Gear. It's 125. Got Vitris, Marc-Andre ter Stegen for Barca. 13 of 135. And then we got our two final hits, the red velocities. Got Vitris, Karim Benzema. The red parallels for Real Madrid. There you go, Fadi. 6 of 22. Karim Benzema. Pretty nice one there. And our final hit is going to be an Aurora autograph. Good luck. Got the pick of the set. Didn't get the pick of the player. Oh, it's yellow. Wow, how about double Real Madrid? This one's way nicer. Luka Modric, 4 of 22. Boom, boom, boom for Real and Fadi again. Nice hit. There you go. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice break here. Very diverse break. And a Contra, sick gold down the middle, double patch autograph, couple nice reds, couple nice pinks. Got them all. Just a recap of all the stuff. Got ter Stegen, Matuidi, Lewandowski, Bednarek, Vecino, Marcelo, Christensen, Dembele, Alcácer, Morata, Ward-Prowse, Vecino, Martial, Witsel. Main hits, we got Mata, Benzema, Alvarez, Ronaldo, Silva, Bale, Lanzini, Dolberg, Pogba, Xhaka, Heath, Alaba, Koke, Barella, and Sterling. And the main hits, up on the board, we got nice pink Leroy Sané, 6 of 11 for City. Got Timo Luka Modric, 222. 4 of 22 for Real Madrid. Got a double patch autograph for Iker Casillas of Spain, 2 of 20. And the top two, we did get a Contra for Gigi Donnarumma, which is 2 of 8. And we got a Vitris Gold for Kai Havertz of Germany. Monster here, 15 of 15. There you have it. Nice stuff. There you have it, guys.